Aave DeFi Platform Review. My usage experience. Aave is one of the most advanced decentralized finance (DeFi) platforms, designed for anyone looking to lend or borrow cryptocurrencies in a secure, non-custodial environment. Whether you're a seasoned DeFi user or exploring passive income opportunities in crypto, Aave offers standout features like flash loans, multi-collateral support, and a seamless user experience across multiple blockchain networks. With Aave, lenders can earn interest on their assets by depositing them into liquidity pools, while borrowers can take loans by providing crypto collateral, often at highly competitive rates. What truly sets Aave apart is its flexibility. Borrowers can choose between stable and variable interest rates, while lenders benefit from a transparent system that adjusts interest rates dynamically based on supply and demand. In my experience, Aave excels in usability. The interface is clean and beginner-friendly, while also providing advanced tools for power users. A key highlight is the wide range of supported assets, from major coins like Ethereum and Bitcoin to niche tokens. The platform's integration with multiple blockchains, including Ethereum, Polygon, and Avalanche, reduces congestion and allows for cheaper, faster transactions. I also found Aave's governance system to be a strong point. Token holders can participate in shaping the platform's future, which ensures decentralization and community input. Security-wise, Aave employs smart contract audits and reserves to cover potential shortfalls, giving users confidence in the platform's reliability. For those skeptical about DeFi, Aave's transparency is reassuring. Real-time data on reserves, interest rates, and utilization is accessible directly on the app, making it easy to track your investments. Flash loans, while more suited for developers and arbitrageurs, are a revolutionary feature, allowing uncollateralized loans that must be repaid within one transaction. Personally, I've found Aave to be a dependable tool for passive income. However, it's crucial to understand the risks associated with crypto volatility and DeFi smart contracts. Overall, Aave is a game changer for anyone looking to maximize their crypto portfolio through decentralized lending and borrowing. Its combination of robust features, security, and a user-focused design makes it one of the most reliable DeFi platforms on the market. If you're ready to explore the full potential of decentralized finance, Aave is worth your attention.